how to turn on or turn off Android Auto message notification on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So let's start the video. First of all, go to App Library. So here click on Settings app. Now in Setting, scroll down and click on Connected Devices. After click on Connected Devices, scroll down to and click on Android Auto. After click on Android Auto, scroll down and you will see Show Message Notification is here. So if you want to turn off Show Message Notification, so turn off this button. After turn off this button, you will see Show Message Notification is turn off. So if you want to turn on Show Message Notifications, so turn on this button. After turn on this button, you will see Show Message Notification is turn on. So you will turn on or turn off Show Message Notifications from here. So after the process, go back to home screen. So that's how you can turn on or turn off Android Auto system. So Android Auto notification messages on Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So if you like the video, please subscribe. Thanks for watching.